Okay. Okay, we can start the meeting. I have started the recording.
Okay, ma'am. Thanks.
Yeah.
Sir, I'll start.
Yeah, Gayatri, you can start.
Okay. A very good morning to one and all. We feel great pleasure in welcoming all of you to the inauguration of National Workshop on Blockchain and Smart Contract Technology 2021. Before we begin, we request you all to keep your mobile phones in silent mode to avoid any interruptions. Now we start the proceedings. Let us raise for the invocation song by Ms. Vasandaji.
वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं गुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा शुद्धां ब्रह्मविचारसारपरमाम् आद्यां जगद्व्यापिनीं वीणापुस्तकधारिणीम् अभयदां जाड्यान्तकारापहाम् हस्ते स्वर्णमालिकां चरणतीं पद्मासने संस्थितां वन्दे परदेवतां सरस्वतीं बुद्धिप्रदां शारदाम्.
Thank you, ma'am. Now, I request Dr. M. Brinda, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, to deliver a welcome address. Please, ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah. A very good morning to all. It gives me immense pleasure in welcoming all who are connected virtually to the inaugural function of the 5-day FDP on blockchain and smart contract technology. I welcome Professor N. Sivakumaran, ICE Department, the Chief Coordinator of Margdarshan Scheme, who is very much instrumental in supporting us for conducting this 5-day FDP. Welcome, sir. I welcome the faculty members, research scholars, and the participants from various institutions for this FDP. I also extend my warm welcome to all the eminent speakers to share their knowledge and vast experience with the faculty community. So well-known experts, researchers have been invited to deliver the sessions to discuss the opportunities, strengths, and weaknesses of the subject. The crux of this workshop will be the use of the blockchain and smart contract technology that is being increasingly adopted in various applications. I wish this FDP enlightens us all in the area of blockchain and provide us with the approaches to deal with the problems of tomorrow. I hope you have an engaging and enriching session ahead. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I request Dr. Kunwar Singh, Assistant Professor from Department of Computer Science and Engineering, to give us a brief overview of this workshop.
Yeah. So, respected Professor N. Sivakumaran, Chief Coordinator, AICT Margdarshan Scheme, my colleagues, Dr. M. Brinda and Dr. V. Janet, and all the participants of this workshop, a very good morning to all. So, the blockchain is considered to be one of the disruptive technology in the history of computer science, and it is compared with Internet of 1990s. As both industry and academy are taking interest in blockchain technology, we, faculty of NIT Trichy, thought to start a national workshop on blockchain technology to bring all the researchers and learners under one premise to build a community. The program includes tutorial sessions to cover broad spectrum of blockchain and smart contract technology. We expect that after this workshop, the participant will be able to start research in blockchain smart contract. For this workshop, we have invited 5 eminent speakers from premier institutes to deliver the talk. Finally, I wish the participant a very fruitful and productive 5-day workshop. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now, we move on to the inauguration of this 5-day workshop. I request Chief Coordinator of ICTE Margadarshan Scheme, Dr. N. Kumaran, Professor from Department of Instrumentation and Control Engineering, to say a few words. Please, sir.
Good morning, everyone. So I hope everyone can hear me.
Yes.
So it's a great pleasure, and it's one of the great pleasure in once again inviting the faculties from computer science and computer application on this particular subject. Why? Because nowadays the Margadarshan scheme promotes most of the soft skills, which is very much required for faculty members. So in this aspect, I like to appreciate the coordinators of this workshop, blockchain and smart contract technology, Dr. Kunwar Singh, Dr. Brinda, Dr. Janet, from computer science and computer application engineering. So this is one of the credibility of AICTE Margadarshan scheme to provide insight not only to the workshop, but we have conducted several workshops, but many of the faculties require the soft skills, especially in computer science. So I request the coordinator, I hope the coordinator would take these things and enable them with good thoughts and knowledge. I hope it would be, as rightly pointed out by Kunwar Singh, it was going to be a effective session from eminent experts, both internal as well as external faculty. So as I said, in this subject, they are going to cover in detail about the cryptographic capabilities of blockchain and blockchain technology, cryptocurrency, a smart contract, hyperledger blockchain, security of the smart contract, near blockchain, and the Ethereum blockchain. So there are several aspects what they are going to enlighten. And as I said, this is going to be some of the thrust core in many of the system technology. So only I am very keen, and I am saying that all the participants, especially from the Mentee institutes, in spite of their busy schedule, they are here. Altogether, we have conducted several workshops under Margadarshan scheme, and we have also done series of internships and faculty development program and guest lectures for to train the faculties and students. And now we are going beyond. We have to train more faculty members as a part of the submission of National Board of Accreditation, SAR, and other related things. So with this few words, and I like to say that this is going to be one of the thrust area of engineering. As I said, it is going to be interdisciplinary area. We cannot say that it is only computer science. It is going to be interdisciplinary area. So I once again wish the coordinators for taking up such a challenging topic and making it to be a provoking one. I also wish to state that they are all active in spite of their busy academic schedule. They are spending the time, especially to for the faculty members to get trained. So I want all the Mentee Institute faculties to gain their knowledge and also share more questions, so that that would add more weightage to them. And I hope these things will make them encouraging, and they would rather continue to have more workshops in future. So with this few words, I like to congratulate once again the coordinators, and I do inaugurate the 5-day faculty development program on blockchain and smart technology under AICTE Margadarshan scheme, which is going to be conducted for a period of 5 days. I want all the faculty members, I want all the Mentee Institute to take it serious and take it to the students. That is the success of this Margadarshan scheme. With these few words, I'd like to thank you once again for giving me the opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. I request Dr. B. Janet, Assistant Professor from Department of Computer Science and Engineering, to deliver vote of thanks for this ceremony.
Good morning to everyone who have gathered here through this virtual platform. I take this opportunity to thank to propose the vote of thanks for this 5-day faculty development inauguration. I wish to thank our coordinator, Dr. N. Sivakumaran, Professor, Department of Instrumentation and Control Engineering, for giving us this opportunity to conduct a workshop. And I also thank Dr. Brinda and Dr. Kunva Singh from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. You will be in for a 5-day course of interesting topics, interesting demonstrations, and I would suggest that you specify your time and place and have all the softwares ready, because you would already have received 2 or 3 softwares that you are supposed to work with, and make the best use of the opportunity that is given. It is because of their untiring efforts that we have been able to get a list of experts, and you will experience the work that has gone behind the arrangement by getting all the eminent speakers. I also thank the speakers who have consented to be with us and share their knowledge. And I especially thank Dr. Kunva Singh for arranging us eminent professors with lab sessions also, so that we would have a hands-on on whatever we are studying in. I also thank the team of research scholars and students who are involved in the coordination, the organization, and the who become the backup or the support for a virtual meeting like this. I also thank the institution for providing us with the infrastructure and the needed encouragement in order to continue the same. I thank each and every one of the participants who have registered, and I assure you that you will not be disappointed by the end of this workshop, and you would go away with a set of tools and techniques that you would not have heard about so long. I request you to kindly, if your data provides, please unmute yourself and open your video so that you will be able to concentrate on the workshop. Find yourself a common place where you can sit, which does not have a lot of disturbance. And please prepare yourself for each of the sessions by downloading the softwares and keeping yourself ready. I request each and every one of the participants to make the best use of the resources that have been made available to you through this workshop, so that you will be able to gain a lot more from it. I thank the coordinators, the Margadarshan coordinators, and the faculty and students, especially the participants from the various participating institutes, for making yourself available and for taking part in the workshop by registering yourself. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, ma'am. Now, we will take a short break of 20 minutes and the workshop proceedings will start thereafter. The session resumes at 10:15 a.m. with Dr. M. Brinda for our first session on the workshop on the topic of cryptographic primitives on blockchain.
Abhishek, 1 second. Can we have a group picture? Maybe those who have your videos can please switch on your video so that we will have a group picture.
Sure, ma'am.
Please switch on your videos. Everyone.
Those who have data, please switch on your videos so that we will be able to take a picture. Abhishek, your video is not on.
It's on, ma'am.
I'm not able to see it. Yes. Thank you very much for switching on your videos. I will say 1, 2, 3. Maybe you can smile so that we can click a picture of yourself. Still people are switching on.
Abhishek, your video is not on. Simple, sir.
Ma'am, are you taking the picture?
Madam, we'll take multiple ones and whichever
Okay.
comes out well, we will do it.
Yeah,
Sekhar,
sure.
can you click one also?
I will do it.
Sangeeta Josh. One, two, three. Please smile. Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Okay,
We'll
thank you.
resume
Thank
the
you, everyone.
session. Thank you.
We can quit and
Thank you.
rejoin.
Thank you, Janet. Thank you, Brinda, madam. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
So,
Ma'am,
Thank you.
ma'am, we
Mom,
can quit and rejoin.
we must use the another link for
Yes, sir.
the session.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Acha.
Sir, please join by 10:50.
Another link.
Another link is there. This is for inaugural function, and another link we have already shared. Through that, you can join the meeting by 10:50.
Okay, okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Okay, thank you.